Hey guys, thanks for watching my lesson 12. So today I just continue to teach you how to use the basic light, how to create and then how to set. So before I start, I need to create some 3D model because easy to teach for me. So let's start. Okay, so done already. So for this one, actually I create a 3D model, something like this, because easy to explain the lighting either. So later I will teach you this one, the lights. Okay, open this one, photometry, standard, especially these two, target spot and target direct, because you need to create something like the internal area, so it is easy to explain for me for these two. So before that, I need to create some model again. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, for the first, you just go to create lights, open, change to standard. Okay, so now how about the target spot? Actually, okay, before I start, I need to let you know. Actually, target spot and free spot more is the same one, especially the setting. Okay, normal layout. So now, okay, this one I just focus first. Okay, now select the target. Okay, before I select the target, I'm using free spot first. Okay, so just click, and then after click, you just go to the top view, just click on it. Then you can see. Okay, so go to the snap move. So this one is a free spot. But free spot, actually, I suggest don't using this one because not very easily to use them, because for this lighting only have spot but not any target. So that means if you move the lighting, they will move together, because the free spot don't have any target to help you to target the object, which object you want to show up, or maybe which object you want to shooting. Okay, so I don't suggest you using free spot. Okay, let's say now I using target spot, and then you can see any different. Okay, if you using target spot, I suggest you can go to front or maybe left to create the target, the lighting. Okay, so now you just press, don't click, this one not click. Okay, just press and then move down. Okay, so that's all. So this one is a target spot, and then now you can see any different. This one is a free spot, but just the spotlight only, this one. But this one is a target spot. You can see the spotlight and then also including the target. Okay, so for me easy to use. And then these two, you can see if I select the free spot, I go to modify, you can see they have a general parameters, shadow, intensity, color, attenuation, hotspot parameters, advanced effect or other. And this one, if you select the target spot, you can see inside have a general parameters, intensity, color, and the spot parameters, advanced light. Almost is the same one. So I suggest if you want to use spotlight, you just focus target spot, enough already. So this one free spot I just delete. So now, okay, select the target spot. Okay, so before I go to modify, you need to imagine actually target spot. You can imagine this one something like the spotlight, track light, or other effect. Okay, so that means you need to select which position you want to put. I select. And remember, if you select target spot, including the target, you also need to select. If you select spotlight only, you move, then you can see the target still fix the position. Okay, so that means you need to select together. Just click. Okay, press Ctrl X selection. Then you can move. Okay, then you can double check the perspective view, which part you want to move. Okay, so for me, I just move here, so easy to see the effect. Okay. target normally we just put in the wall like that. And this one, okay, something like that. Because normally for the basic light, especially the target spot, if I want to using, because the 3D artists, if they want to using the target spot, normally is do something like spotlight, trend light, something like that. Okay, so now select, double check the position. Is it okay or not? I think should be okay. So now I full screen, probabilistic view. If you want to see the effect, right? Okay, you no need go to click render production, especially the lighting. You can go to find out this one, standard, just like click. You can directly to see the effect. Okay. Try to make some control. If you not believe, you can try to render production, click. Is it the same one? Okay, so that's mean for the lighting, especially is a 2017 or maybe latest version. I think this all you just using high quality should be okay. No need to render every time. Okay, so now you can see this one is a target spot effect, and then you can see the target spot effect just only here have the light in this ramp. So other all is a dark color because not any lighting support, so become like dark color. Okay, so now select the target spot. So now you go to modify. Okay, you need to know. Okay, sun setting is a very important. Okay, general parameters, shadow. Okay, normally just on. Okay, if you on the shadow and then you see here have a sphere, then you can see the shadow. You can see the effect like this. But if you off the shadow, you see if you select target spot again, go to modify, off the shadow, you see, you can directly to see the effect. Okay, so normally we just on. And then next, intensity color intonation. This one is a multiplayer. Still remember like the previous lesson, only also have a multiplayer, and then another side is a lighting color. Mode is the same one. So this one normally is 1, but if you put 2, then you can see the light more higher. And then you put 3, 4, 5 actually is unlimited, but normally we just put 2 or 3 if you want to use. Maybe it's a red color. Go down, and then okay, spotlight parameters. Okay, so this one, okay, you need to know how to using the spotlight, beam, flare off, and flare. Okay, these two. Okay. One is 33 and then another one is 45. Okay, let's say if now I want to adjust hotspot, okay, I just tap out the number, then you can see the target spot, the outline become the bigger one. Actually the hotspot you can see inside this one have 2 lines. One is external and then another one is internal. Actually the hotspot is the internal line. Okay, and then the flare off is the outside line. Okay, what is different? Okay, if instant between hotspot and flare off more far, okay, so you can see the line, the lighting outline will be more softness. You can see. Okay, okay. If more close, let's say here, this one I put in. Okay, you can see the outline. If these two, okay, hotspot and flare off more close, and then you can see the outline, the lighting outline will be more hardness. Okay, if far, soft. Okay, remember this concept. So now if I render, then you can see the outline become like softness. Okay, if I close, okay, go in, the more is the same. So render again, you see more hardness. Okay, so this one is a function. Okay, so now, okay, let's start another one. Okay, how about the target direct? Okay, actually the target direct, you can imagine, because a lot of 3D artists, if they want to make the sun effect, they were using target direct. Actually, the target direct is like the rest of the sun. Okay, if you want to make the sun effect, sunlight effect. Okay, let's say now, okay, I just go to the normal layout. Let's say here have a view, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, because before I already create the model like that because easy to explain, especially when I create the target direct. Okay, so now, okay, just go to the top, select the target direct, and then here is a whole area. So you just press and then put in like that. The target you need to go in because now we need to focus this room. Okay, so now select again. So now select the target, double check. Okay, normally the target you just put to the floor level. Okay, and then this one you need to take out. You need to imagine this one is the sun. Okay, so okay. So you can see here have a light. Okay, so you can see here have a light go in already because here have a hole already, so they will directly to shoot in. Okay, so now select the direct light, go to modify because you can see here haven't got any shadow. Okay, so because we haven't opened the shadow, so open, then you can see all is a logic already. You can see the light, and then when you move the target direct, is that you can see the angle also different, especially the shadow, the lighting. You see? Okay, so this one is a target direct effect. And okay, so now go down again, and then this one multiplayer, how many? Because normally if you want to make the range of the sun, okay, normally this one must higher than other lighting. So multiplayer, because just now the target spot is 2, right? And then now this one you can put 3. Okay, then the lighting, okay, you can change to the yellow color or maybe wall light. Okay, so something like that. And then now you go down again, and then this one is called directional parameters. Inside have a hotspot and fair also. Okay, because just now that one is called hotspot parameter and this one is called directional parameters, but in fact it's the same one. Okay, so hotspot fair os, okay, if instant between these two, okay, if you put the bigger one, okay, if the number, okay, more close, that means the light outline will be more hardness. If you put more far, that means the outline will be more soft. Okay, remember this concept. So this one I just put in. Okay, something like that. So now if you render, okay, so this one is a target spot and target direct effect, but still not enough, because if you just use target spot, target direct, if you then other, you can see all is black color. That means you also can using target, you also can using only, okay, to put in to do the environment light. Okay, so now you just go to top view, create top only, just create one first, then after that, okay, you move up, okay, don't over outside, okay, you need to put in before the ceiling level. So now you go to modify, okay, shadow also. Then this light, normally if you want to make something like the environment light, soft light only, okay, just put 0.15. Okay, then this one wall light should be okay. So the shadow on already, enough. Press control. You can imagine this room how many downlight you need. So you imagine just put 4. Okay, so take instant. So now you can see the effect. Because I already opened the high quality view, so that means you no need to render, you can directly see the effect, okay or not. No need every time just go to render production, render again, and then because too waste the time, especially the lighting rendering. Okay, so now try, double check. Okay, and then another one, don't forget to open the show set frame. You can go to perspective view. Okay, not means if you got the camera view, only you have camera view, just can open short side frame. If you don't have any camera view, you also can open short side frame, because only the short side frame can let you know the real RAM after render. Okay, so just double check enough or not. Okay, just render. Okay, so this one is a light effect for the basic effect. Okay, especially and then inside we have a basic light, target spot, and target direct. Okay, another one. Is it possible to use the skylight put in also and then render? Is it the lighting will be more nice or what? Actually, also can. Okay, you want to do like that, also can, no problem. Just go to skylight, select. Okay, so go to the top, open, and then take out. Okay, normally we put to outside, not the inside one, just outside, and then go to modify. Okay, use the sky color. Maybe this one is what color? Then catch shadow. Remember, you need to open if you want to show the shadow. And then this one should be okay, no problem. So now you go in, double check. Okay, so that's all. This all is the basic light setting and then the function. So next lesson I will teach you how to use the time frames and then how to setting, okay, and then how to set up the basic animation. Thanks.